Hello my beautiful butterflies, thank you so much for tuning into this video. You are watching Jasmyne Alexis, and I am going to show you how I slay my beautiful, gorgeous, diamond-like blue eyeshadow look. Yes, it's just that extra for real because the makeup is bomb. What I'm going to do first is start by creating some great energy in this video, some great vibes, not only for myself but for my viewers as well. It's very important before we do anything to our face that we embrace where our skin is at right now. Embrace the imperfections, the flaws, the blemishes, our current status of where our skin is at. I want to embrace it first, because before someone else decides to label us, we're going to go ahead and label it first, okay? This here does not define our happiness. It does not define our next level in life, and those are the important things, okay? So this right here is not going to bring us down for nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and just speak a few things over us before we get down and dirty with this good old makeup, okay? So repeat after me. I am real, not perfect. I embrace my imperfections. I am happy and glowing. I am in love with everything about me. All those statements are true. Whether you see it through the naked eye or not, we see that everything that we're saying is true, and it will become our truth. Did my foundation, bronzer, brows, put a lip on. I did everything. So all we're going to do now is do the eyes. And I am going to start with the P.Louise Base in number 3. It's just an eyeshadow base. And I'm actually just going to put the base here in this area. And I'm going to leave this area open for my pencil crayon. It's going to do something a little bit different than the other video that I did with the same pencil crayon but just in a different color. Just trying something different. And again, this base here is so that my crease color can have something to stick to. You know, on Instagram, they really pack on this base color. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna see what it looks like, how it's gonna turn out. I never really packed it on before. I mean, it is kind of why I bought the product, because I love the finish. I love the way it looked when the girls, you know, applied it on their face and when they put the eyeshadow on top, because it really makes the eyeshadow pop. But they put a lot on. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so I applied a lot more than usual on this eye, so let's do the same thing on the other brow. Why not? Just not a fan of applying a lot of product because I don't want it to look too drag queenish. To me, that's how I feel. But we're just going to give it a whirl. Let's see. Okay, that's not bad. And y'all, I am so overdue. So overdue for getting a brow wax. Man, so I need to do whatever I can to hide the extra hair that I don't want. Okay, so I'm getting crazy now. Ooh! Ooh! Oh my! Okay, yes, this is really creating a clean base for my eyelid. I don't even see my veins anymore. But that's the point, right? Not supposed to see my veins. Ooh. Okay, I gotta clean this up because it's kind of bothering me. I'm just gonna buff out the edges. Cool. We'll fix the brows later. We're not gonna worry about that right now. I'm gonna be using the Juvias palette, which is the Masquerade palette. Has some gorgeous colors in it, which I really do love. They're very vibrant and warm. And I'm going to start with the ZULU color, which is a brown color. It's going to be a base for the blue that I am going to put on top of it. And we're going to use this big fluffy brush. It's the Morphe M511 brush. Fluffy blending brush. And I'm just going to tap it. And if I need to add more, I will add more to my eyelid. And I'm just going in the crease with this color. I'm going to add a second coat. And I'm going right into the windshield wiping motion. I'm not dabbing and then going in the windshield wiping motion. I was just going to try something different. Okay, so we got a nice brown orange base for this blue we about to lay on this face. I need to turn this on silent. Oh, there's Jesus. Glory! Okay, so with the same brush, I'm just gonna clean off any of the excess color that's on the brush, and I'm gonna go into the color. I can't see. DALIA. I'm gonna hope it says DALIA. This is blue color here. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go into the crease color with this as well. And this crease color is going to be more focused. It's not going to be as diffused as that brownish orange color that we put down first. This is going to be more focused. Oh, this is such a beautiful blue. Oh, this blue is beautiful. No lie, I do not like playing in colors. I don't like playing in colors because I don't think I look good in colors. When I be practicing and then when I get done, I'm just like, this does not look good on me. But it's certain colors that does agree with me, like this, like blues. I do like the blues. Now I am going in with the Sephora Crayon pencil. This is my second crayon pencil from Sephora, and I am really loving it. It is waterproof. It is waterproof, and it is so creamy. It glides on with no problem. I love it. And I'm going to take the same brush that I've been using, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges. I do find it easier when I look down at the mirror. I can really get into those hard areas on my eye, like the crease and the corners here. Yes, I guess you can call this a blue smoky because the ZULU is like a lighter, it's a bit lighter than this blue color, this crayon pencil, which is my boyfriend jeans. Yeah, it's called my boyfriend jeans. The boyfriend jeans is a little darker, so anytime you go from dark to light, from the lid up, I consider that a smoky. And I am not going to set the boyfriend jeans color at all. I'm just going to leave it as is. Okay, yeah, so let me get a clean brush, a clean blending brush. I'm just going to blend this out. Just blend out these edges. We don't want to look rough and tough. We're not trying to give off rough and tough vibes. Girl. I'm going to take the same blue and go on my bottom lash line. Woo! Okay. And then I'm just going to go with this flat eyeshadow brush. It is from Essence of Beauty. Can't remember where I got that from. Maybe in a bulk of like a brush set. I think so. We're actually going to go into ZULU. Wait, it's wrong note. Wait, it was staying up. Okay, we're gonna work on that in a minute. We're gonna go with ZULU, which is this frosty blue. Yes. And I'm just gonna dab it. It's getting pretty messy, so I'm just gonna spray my brush. And this should make the eyeshadow stick a lot better. Then go side to side with it. Ooh. I got shadow in my eye and in my contacts. These blue vibes. And I'm just gonna go in with my liquid lash extension mascara from Thrive Cosmetics. I think I want to go back in with ZALIA in the middle and just strengthen that color a little bit in that crease. It did fade a little bit when I was blending the color with that clean blending brush, so I'm just gonna make it pop again by going back in the crease with this color again. So this is what it looks like without the false lashes, and I'm just gonna put on the false lashes real quick to add to the look. Put a little bit more lip on, and then I'll be back. So the lashes I will be using will be Lashes by Lush, and this is the style Rich Girl. I really have been feeling her lashes because when I feel them, they feel good, girl. They feel natural. They feel like real hairs. It's so freaky. But I'm down with it. So I won't be going in depth on how I apply my false eyelashes because I have a video dedicated on how I apply my lashes. It's detailed, but it's not as detailed. I break it down. I show you how you can practice without the glue, and then we go into the steps on doing the lash application with the glue. So you can really skip to whatever part you want to see in the eyelash tutorial so you can get the details that you want. So it's totally up to you, but it's an awesome video. I'm gonna get some great reviews from my friends and my followers that the video has really helped them, and I'm so glad to hear that. Okay, let's just do an overdrawn lip. It really makes me happy that my videos is really helping women out, because it is the point. I'm going to finish this look with spraying the MAC Prep and Prime Gold Lit Spray on my face. Oh, yes. Oh. Okay. Who is this? Call me Storm, baby. Blue Storm. Coming in to say the day. Ooh, my eyes watering. This is a finished look. This is a really great look for an evening, night out, a date night. If you're going to a special event and you want to pop eye. Again, you can do the Bomb Bold Eye with the neutral lip. Or if you want to go real sultry and dramatic with it, then you can do the pop lip with the bold eye color. It's totally up to you. You definitely cannot go wrong with either options. It's whatever you're comfortable with. And brown is a very neutral color, so you can really make that work. I really do hope you love this look, because a lot of people was really feeling this look when I posted it on my Instagram page. If you're not following my Instagram, please go to Jasmyne Alexis. My Snapchat is also Jasmyne.Alexis if you want to follow me on Snapchat. Let me know if you tried this look by watching my video, and let me know how it turned out. Talk to me, let me know. I want to get some feedback from you ladies, okay? I can't wait to hear from you. I am really tearing up. I was getting too happy with that MAC spray. Whew. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. Please refer your girlfriends to this video if they are looking to try something new, something different, something simple. I'm here for it all. Bye.